My dear student, in our previous video, we saw the algebraic properties of complex numbers. Now we are going to start the exercise 2.3. So before going to start the problems solving in the exercise 2.3, I am going to insist on definition, that is conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number, it means if z x plus iy is a complex number, if z x plus iy is a complex number, then its conjugate is defined by z bar, it is x minus iy. So conjugate of x plus iy is z bar, it is not by z bar, it is x minus iy. Then its conjugate is defined by z bar, which is equal to x minus iy. This is the definition of a conjugate of a complex number. If z x plus iy is a complex number, then its conjugate is x minus iy, it is denoted by z bar. So the real imaginary part, the sign of the imaginary part should be changed in the case of conjugate of a complex number. Example, if z is a complex number 2 minus i5 or 2 plus i5, then its conjugate is z bar. This is equal to 2 minus i5. If 2 plus i5 is a complex number, then its conjugate is z bar, is 2 minus i5. So, like that, the conjugate of a complex number is defined. The sign of the imaginary part should be changed. One more example. If z is minus 4i, then its conjugate z bar is plus 4i. The sign of the conjugate imaginary part should be changed. This is 0 minus 4i. I mean, this is, we can say, 0 minus 4i. Its conjugate z bar is 0 plus 4i. So simply it is written by minus 4i. Its conjugate is 4i. One more example. If z equal to a complex number 7 plus i0, then its conjugate z bar is equal to 7 minus i0. That means both are 7. If z is 7, then its conjugate z bar is also 7. I0 is there to omit I0 and minus I0, because the conjugate of a real number is itself. The complex and conjugate of a real number is the number itself. So 7, its conjugate is also 7. So the complex and conjugate of a complex number, if the complex number and its conjugate are equal, then it is a real number. That is the rule. If z equal to z bar, then z is a real number. You have to remember this concept. If z is a number and its conjugate are equal, then the number is a real number. These are the things I have to define under the conjugate of a complex number. Now we are studying the exercise 2.3. Problems in the exercise 2.3 we are going to solve now. First problem is one more thing. That is, it's a multiplication of a complex number and its conjugate. Suppose z equal to 2 plus i5, z bar equal to 2 minus i5, then z into z bar is 2 plus i5 into 2 minus i5. That is a plus b into a minus b. In algebra result, you know, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. You know the result. And in algebra, an identity is this: a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Like that, a plus b into a minus b. A is 2, so 2 square minus b square. B is i5. I 5 the whole square. 2 square is 4. I square is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Pi square is 25. So this is equal to 29. So the complex and its conjugate are multiplying the both the complex number and its conjugate. If you multiply this, you will get a real number. The multiplication of a complex and its conjugate is just a real number. You remember, like this, using the result identity we are deriving. Similarly, if z and z equal to x plus iy, if z equal to x plus iy, what is z bar? X minus iy. So by definition, z in z bar, conjugate and its complex, x plus iy into x minus iy. This is x square plus y square, simply x square plus y square plus y square. See, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. In the case of complex number, a plus ib into a minus ib is a square plus b square. Simply, you remember these two results. It is our complex number idea. It is a plus ib into a minus b is a square plus b square. So using this idea, this is a problem, and also we solve an example also. Now we will go to the exercise. Using these ideas, we are going to solve the problems in the exercise 2.3. Exercise problems 2.3. Exercise 2.3. First, problem 1, the first subdivision. If z is a complex, z1 is a complex number 1 minus 3i, and z2 is another complex number minus 4i, and z3 equal to 5. If z is 1 minus 3i, z2 is minus 4i, and z3 is 5, then show that z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to z1 plus z2 plus z3. That is associative over addition. Addition property. Addition, associative property under addition. z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to z1 plus z2 plus z3. Associative and addition, you have to check. First, left hand side. z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to z1 is 1 minus 3i plus z2 minus 4i. z1 plus z2 plus z3 is 5. That is equal to adding 1 real part minus 3 minus 4 minus 7i plus 5. Again by adding real part only 5 plus 1 6 minus 7i. This is your right hand side. Sorry, left hand side. Right hand side. z1 plus z2 plus z3 we have to check. What is z1? 1 minus 3i plus z2 minus 4i plus z3 5. That is 5 real part only. We have to add 5 plus 1 6 minus 3i minus 4i minus 7i. One more step you want to write, you have to write. If you want 1 minus 3i plus into minus minus 4i plus into plus 5. So eliminating the bracket, I get 5 plus 1 6 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7i. LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side excess. Problem is equal to right hand side. Hence the problem. Hence we prove the result. This is the first subdivision, first problem. Next, second subdivision is the first problem. Or if it for the same z1 z2 z3, we have to prove the associative under multiplication. That is, Z1 into Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 into Z2 into Z3. What is Z1? On left hand side. First we will say Z1 into Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 is 1 minus 3i into Z2 minus 4i into Z3 5. Multiplying first within this bracket, minus 1 into 4i minus 4i minus 1 4i into 1 minus 4i minus the minus plus 3 4s are 12 I square, I into I square minus 4 minus the minus plus 3 4s are 12 I square into 5. Again I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into 12 minus 12, real part minus 12 minus 4i into 5. So this is minus 5 into 12 minus 60 minus 5 4s are 28. This is the left hand side. Right hand side. Z1 into Z2 into Z3. Z1 is 1 minus 3i into Z2 minus 4i into Z3 5. That is, you keep this 1 minus 3i and multiply by 5 4s are minus 20. Minus into plus minus 5 4s are 20i. Again by multiplication, minus 20 into 1 minus 20i and minus into minus plus 3 20s are 60i square. I square you know minus 1. So minus 1 into 60 minus 60 minus 20i. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence the problem. LHS equal to RHS. This is first problem, second subdivision. In the first problem, it is the second subdivision. Next, second exercise, second problem. In the exercise, second problem is what is the second problem? The exercise. If Z1 is 3, second problem. If Z1 is 3, Z2 minus 7i and Z3 5 plus 4i and Z3 5 plus 4i, then show that first one Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3 Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. That is distributive multiplication, distributive law under addition, distributive over multiplication, distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. Come on, left hand side. Z1 into Z2 plus Z3 equal to, what is Z1? 3 into Z2 plus Z3, Z2 minus 7i plus Z3 5 plus 4. That is 3 into minus 7i minus 4i plus 4i. This is minus 7i plus 4i. Real part is only 5 plus 5. Minus 7i plus 4i addition, you get minus 3i. That is 3 5s are 15, minus 3 3s are 9i. This is your left hand side part. Minus 3, minus 15, minus 9i. And right hand side. right hand side is, what is that? Z1, Z2 plus Z1, Z3. Z1, Z2 plus Z1. Z1 is what? 3 into Z2 minus 7. Z1 into Z2 plus Z1 3 into Z3 5 plus 4. That is minus 7 into 3 minus 21i plus 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12i. Real part is 15 minus 21 plus 12 minus 9i. Minus 21 plus 12i, you will get minus 9i. See, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. This is multiplication. Distributive law, multiplication over addition is distributive. This is proved by problem 1. In the same second problem, the second subdivision, you have to prove Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Right distribution. Now, Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Left hand side, plus Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 is 3 plus Z2 minus 7i. So, on adding 3 plus minus 7i is Z1 plus Z2 is minus 7i, if you want to write that. Z1 plus Z2 into Z3, 5 plus 4i. Again, this is 3 minus 7i, plus into minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. Now, ordinary multiplication. Using that multiplication of two complex numbers, you know already. First you multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15 and plus 3 4s are 12i. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12i. Again minus 7i into 5, minus 7 5s are 35i, minus into plus minus, 7 4s are 28, I into I square. This is 15, I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 28. Here minus 35 plus 12, you get minus 23. I, 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 23i. So again, this is 28 plus 15, 43. Minus 23i. 43 minus 23i is the left hand side. For this problem, right hand side, Z1, Z3 plus Z2, Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. What is Z1? 3 into Z3, 5 plus 4 plus Z2 minus 7i into Z3, 5 plus 4. Now this is 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12i, minus into plus minus, 7 5s are 35i, minus into plus minus, 7 4s are 28, I into I square. Similarly, 15 I square minus, minus into minus plus 28, minus 35 plus 12, minus 35 plus 12 is minus 23i, 15 plus 28 is 43, minus 23i. See, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So, the second problem in the second exercise also we proved. We will solve in the third sum in the next video. Thank you.